6 cars that broke speed records. Speed has always been about pushing limits, but some machines go far beyond what anyone thought was possible. These aren't just fast cars, they're record breakers, built to chase numbers that once seemed unreachable. From 200 miles per hour barriers to crossing 300 miles per hour, these machines didn't just compete. In this video, we're diving into cars that didn't follow limits, they destroyed them. 6. Bugatti Veyron Supersport. Relentless, record-breaking, and built to rewrite the limits of speed, the Bugatti Veyron Supersport changed everything the moment it hit the road. Under the hood, it carries an 8.0-litre quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing around 1,200 horsepower and 1,500 newton-meters of torque. That immense power allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. But acceleration was never its biggest goal. Top speed was. In 2010, the Veyron Supersport set a world record with a top speed of 267 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car at the time. This wasn't just a small improvement, it completely shattered previous limits, pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible for a road-legal vehicle. What makes this machine truly insane is the engineering required to achieve that speed. At over 250 miles per hour, even the smallest instability becomes dangerous. So Bugatti had to redesign aerodynamics, reinforce tires. Visually, it looks smooth and refined, but underneath that design is a machine built for extreme performance. Every curve is shaped to cut through the air at unimaginable speeds. Inside, the cabin remains luxurious, proving that this car isn't just about speed. It's about delivering that performance without sacrificing comfort. Over 260 miles per hour on public roads, this wasn't just fast, it was a moment that completely redefined what speed actually means. 5. Koenigsegg Agera RS. Unstoppable, precise, and engineered to dominate, the Koenigsegg Agera RS didn't just chase records, it erased them completely. Under the hood, it features a 5.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing around 1,160 horsepower in standard form, with even higher outputs in special configurations. The power delivery is explosive, launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.8 seconds. In 2017, the Agera RS set a new world record for the fastest production car, reaching an average top speed of 277 miles per hour on a public road in Nevada. This wasn't just about peak speed, it also broke multiple acceleration and braking records in the same run, proving its dominance across every performance metric. What makes this achievement even more insane is how it was done. Unlike controlled test tracks, this record was set on an actual highway, demanding extreme precision, stability, and confidence from both the car and the driver. The aerodynamics are carefully engineered to maintain balance at extreme speeds, while the lightweight construction allows it to push further without losing control. Every element works together to keep the car stable in conditions where most vehicles would become uncontrollable. Visually, it looks sharp and purposeful, with a design that reflects both aggression and precision. It doesn't just look fast, it looks engineered for speed. 277 miles per hour on a public road, with no room for error. That's not just breaking records, that's redefining what control at extreme speed really looks like. Some cars are fast, these ones rewrote history. 4. SSC Tuatara. Controversial, powerful, and built with one goal in mind. The SSC Tuatara exists to challenge the very definition of speed. Under the hood, it carries a 5.9-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine capable of producing up to 1,750 horsepower when running on E85 fuel. That level of power allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. But like all record-breaking machines, its true focus is what happens far beyond that. The Tuatara made headlines with its claimed top speed attempts, aiming to push past the 300 miles per hour barrier, a number once considered almost impossible for a production car. Later verified attempts confirmed speeds exceeding 280 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest cars ever built. Reaching such speeds requires extreme aerodynamic efficiency, precise stability, and immense power working together perfectly. Even the smallest imbalance at those speeds can be catastrophic. Its design reflects that purpose, with a sleek, low-drag shape inspired by fighter jets, allowing it to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Every curve is engineered for speed, not just style. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly refined, balancing comfort with the intensity expected from a hypercar of this level. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more speed content. 3. Hennessy Venom GT, unpredictable, brutally fast, and built to challenge giants, the Hennessy Venom GT proved that raw power could compete with the best in the world. Under the hood, it carries a 7.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing up to 1,244 horsepower. The acceleration is violent, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. But what truly defines this machine is what happens beyond that point. In 2014, the Venom GT recorded a top speed of 270 miles per hour. That number placed it among the fastest production cars ever built, even though it wasn't officially recognized as a world record due to technical requirements. What makes this car truly insane is how it achieves that speed. Built on a lightweight chassis, it combines extreme power with minimal weight, creating a power-to-weight ratio that allows it to accelerate relentlessly even at very high speeds. At those levels, stability becomes everything. The aerodynamics are carefully tuned to keep the car planted, while the massive power output continues pushing it forward with no sign of slowing down. Visually, it looks compact and aggressive, with a design that reflects its purpose. There's nothing unnecessary, nothing excessive, just pure performance. Inside, the cabin remains simple and focused, keeping attention on the driving experience rather than luxury. 270 miles per hour on a runway, with barely anything holding it back. This is what happens when power refuses to stay within limits. Breaking speed limits is one thing, breaking world records is another. 2. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300+. Unthinkable, record-shattering, and built to achieve what once seemed impossible. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300+ pushed past a barrier the entire automotive world had been chasing for decades. Under the hood, it carries an 8.0-litre quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing around 1,578 horsepower. The power delivery is relentless, launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. But its true purpose lies far beyond acceleration. In 2019, this machine became the first production-based car to break the 300 miles per hour barrier, reaching a verified speed of over 304 miles per hour. This wasn't just another record, it was a historic moment that redefined what was possible for road-legal performance. What makes this achievement even more insane? At over 300 miles per hour, even minor aerodynamic imperfections can cause catastrophic instability, so every element had to be perfected. The long-tail design plays a crucial role, reducing drag and keeping the car stable. Combined with reinforced tires and advanced cooling systems, it becomes a machine built for a very specific purpose: maximum speed. Visually, it looks sleek and stretched, with a design that clearly reflects its high-speed focus. 304 miles per hour isn't just a number, it's a line in the sand, and this car is the one that crossed it first. 1. Jaguar XJ220. Unexpected, groundbreaking, and far ahead of its time. The Jaguar XJ220 was once the fastest production car in the world, long before modern hypercars took over. Under the hood, it features a 3.5-litre twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 542 horsepower. While that may not sound extreme by today's standards, in the early 1990s, it was enough to push the car to incredible speeds, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. In 1992, the XJ220 set a top speed of 217 miles per hour, officially becoming the fastest production car at the time. This achievement placed Jaguar at the top of the performance world, proving that speed wasn't limited to just a few manufacturers. What made this car truly insane was how advanced it felt for its era. Lightweight construction, aerodynamic design, and turbocharged performance allowed it to reach speeds that few believed possible just a few years earlier. The long, low body was shaped to cut through the air efficiently. giving it a smooth yet aggressive appearance that still looks striking today. It wasn't just fast, it looked fast even when standing still. Inside, the cabin combined performance with a touch of luxury, creating a balance that many supercars struggled to achieve at the time. 217 miles per hour in the early 90s didn't just set a record, it forced the entire industry to rethink how far speed could really go. These machines proved that speed isn't just about numbers, it's about pushing engineering to its absolute edge. Each one changed what the world believed was possible, turning records into milestones for the next generation. Now I want to know, which one impressed you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more high-speed content.